Ready to unlock crypto trading automation but overwhelmed by choices? Let's cut through the noise and compare Bullx and Nova to find your perfect bot. First, let's see what these bots do. Bullx is known for its beginner-friendly interface and focus on grid trading strategies. Nova, on the other hand, offers a more sophisticated approach with advanced algorithms and customizable parameters. With Bullx, setting up a grid trading bot is a breeze. Notice how intuitive the interface is. Simply define your price range, the number of grids, and your profit per grid. The bot handles the rest, automatically buying low and selling high within your defined range. Nova takes a different approach. Explore its strategy builder, where you can build your own algorithms using technical indicators like RSI, MACD, and moving averages. Configure entry and exit conditions based on your preferred trading style. Performance matters. Backtesting results show that Bullx provides consistent returns in stable markets, while Nova can potentially generate higher profits but requires careful optimization and risk management to ensure its performance. So, which one is right for you? If you're a beginner looking for a simple grid trading bot, Bullx is a solid choice. But, if you're an experienced trader who wants more control and customization, Nova might be your better choice. Check the description for more in-depth comparisons and resources to continue learning.